On Wednesday, Google announced the availability of its two new generative AI models, Veo and Imagen 3, for businesses via Vertex AI, Google's cloud platform that provides a suite of AI tools for enterprise applications. Developed by Google DeepMind, Veo is an image-to-video model capable of generating high-quality, high-definition videos, including realistic-looking people and animals. Users can create videos on Veo by either uploading an image with a text prompt or solely using a text prompt. It will be available via Vertex AI in a private preview. According to Warren Barkley, Senior Director of Project Management, Google Cloud, generative AI is leading to real business growth and transformation. Among enterprise companies with Gen AI in its production, 86% report an increase in revenue with an estimated 6% growth. That's why Google's investing in its AI technology with new models like Veo, our most advanced video generation model, and Imagen 3, our highest quality image generation model. Imagen 3 is the latest image generation model by Google that can generate realistic and highest quality images from simple text prompts. Imagen 3 will also be available to all Vertex AI customers starting next week. Similarly, Imagen 3, the latest image generation model by Google, is touted to be the highest quality image generation AI model, and the generated images are set to look photorealistic and lifelike. Imagen 3 can also edit an image where it can add, remove, or extend an image. These models are already being used by brands like Cadbury, Oreo, and Milka. All the images and videos generated by Veo and Imagen 3 will be digitally watermarked, which also includes Google DeepMind's Synth ID, an invisible watermark to help prevent misinformation and misattribution. Google's also confirmed that both models will have built-in safeguards to prevent misuse and generation of harmful content. The company has also confirmed that neither Imagen 3 nor Veo are trained using customer data.